Today I'll be showing you how I made a natural dye to change the color of this linen tablecloth. This method works best on natural fibers such as cotton, wool and silk. I'm using a pot large enough to fit the linen tablecloth in and filling it with water. To make the dye, I'll be using 2 black tea bags and some brown and purple onion skins. For a deeper and more vibrant color, add more onion skins. I only wanted my fabric a few shades darker, so I used a smaller amount. I then turned the heat to high and brought the pot to a boil while gently stirring. Once the pot was boiling, I then turned the heat down to low and placed a lid on the pot, leaving it to simmer for 1 hour. I then scooped out the onion skins and tea bags and turned off the stove. After I removed all of the onion skins, I placed the linen tablecloth into the pot. To help the fabric absorb the dye better, I pre-washed it with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Make sure your fabric is wet before placing it in the pot to ensure even dye coverage. I then covered the pot and let it sit in the dye for 8 hours. After it was done soaking, I rinsed the fabric until it ran clean. Because this is a natural dye, it will run and become lighter with each wash. I used the fabric to make a cushion cover and a throw pillow, which won't need to be washed very often. I'll have some pictures at the end of this video if you would like to see what I made with this fabric. I'll also have a tutorial video on how to make the cushion and throw up this Sunday, so you can check back then if you would like to watch that. After I finished rinsing the fabric, I hung it out to line dry. Here is a little before and after picture of the color difference, and this is the throw and cushion I made with the fabric. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. I hope you have a beautiful and creative week. Bye for now.